everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamaraly. If you guys are new here, I want to say thank you to everyone who has clicked on this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please be do so to do now. I don't even know how to talk. Please be sure to do so now for more videos just like this one. So again, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, in today's video, I will be discussing 3 ways to make money online in 2021. Now, I've made previous videos just like this before, and I'm probably gonna state a couple ones, like a couple of the same ones that I've previously stated within the other video similar to this one, just because they are honestly really great ways to make money online and will always continue to be great ways to make money online. However, if you stick through the end of this video, the last and final way is going to be a different one that I will be talking and discussing to you guys about and going a little bit in depth on, which is probably the #1 way I think to make money online and just to make money in general, you know, that's taking off in 2021. So if you find this video, if this interests you and you want to learn how to make money online this year because you're tired of working the 9 to 5, or you just want to, you know, work a side hustle, or even if you have a side hustle in one of these and just want to kind of make it full time now, then this video is for you. Stick till the very end, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just jump right in. So the first one that I am going to discuss is social media marketing. I discuss this probably all the time, but it is such a high demand service that I think is so great and social media marketing will never be out of business. And some might say that it's such a saturated market, but honestly, no, it's not. I don't believe that. I mean, how many McDonald's do you see, or how many Burger Kings do you see, and they're competing against the same they're fast food services, and there's so many of them, and there's just more fast food services and businesses that just keep popping up, and they're doing amazing. So I really don't believe that it is it will never be a saturated market whatsoever. Social media marketing is so beneficial, especially now with COVID starting last year in 2020, and we're still kind of seeing the effects of COVID. Things are getting better. However, businesses, and especially smaller businesses, need marketing to get their businesses aware of, to get people attracted to their businesses, in their doors, and buying their products. And not only small businesses, but e-commerce businesses as well. I myself, the majority of you know, have a marketing agency. My boyfriend and I, we've had it for 4 years, and we've worked our way up with our clientele, and we currently work with e-commerce businesses, which in a previous video of mine, I discussed that e-commerce businesses are probably one of the hardest businesses to work with, and you really need to know your stuff. So I do recommend that if you are going to start in social media marketing or do social media marketing services, that e-commerce businesses, you want to make sure that you already know what you're doing. You have kind of like a portfolio and agenda of results that you can show to them if you are planning on working with them. But e-commerce businesses, online digital like products, you can market these and you can make them so much money. They're doing so well. Paid advertising, there's so much that you can do under the social media marketing belt. There's so many different types of ways to social media marketing, not just paid advertising. You can do like brand, you can offer different types of services. You can go on Upwork. I don't really use Upwork like that, but if you are new to this and you want to be, you know, social media manager per se, you can go on Upwork and take on small little gigs. Even Fiverr.com, you can sign up, make yourself an account, and offer your services on there. And then you can start up that way on getting like small little gigs to build up a portfolio for you if this is something that you are now new and being introduced to. But social media marketing is such a great way to make money online in 2021, and will always continue to be, and that's exactly why I will always suggest social media marketing. So sorry if you guys are sick and tired of this one, but it's just the truth. I've been doing it for 4 years. I've been making great money from it, and it's just the hard truth. Social media marketing is where it's at. So that is #1 in the 3 different ways on how to make money online in 2021. So moving on to the next one is dun, 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 affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, again, I'm gonna state it once again. Affiliate marketing is, again, such a great way to make money online. Affiliate marketing, if you guys don't know, is when you make a commission off of referring a product that you really enjoy from a different brand. Someone out of your following sees your little referral or like a link that you put in, they purchase with your link, and you make a commission off of what you basically referred to them. And it's just as simple as that. However, the only trick and the only like kind of hook to affiliate marketing is that this is something that I feel like kind of takes long term. Now, what I mean by long term is, let's say if you have a huge following already on Instagram or on YouTube, it might not take as long versus someone who has a smaller following on those social media platforms, because you already have an audience that you built based on a specific niche, a specific niche or industry. Now, let's say, for example, if you are in the marketing field, as I am, business. So you have this strong audience that you've built for, say, on YouTube, Instagram, that they follow you because they know that you put out content in regards to marketing and business. So you can find different affiliate programs within the realm of business and technology that, let's say, you use and you trust in. Like, for example, I use Wix as my hosting for almost everything that I come out with, whether it's my e-commerce site that I use Wix for, if it's, you know, just my basic website for my marketing services that I have, I use it on Wix. I host everything on Wix. People that I make websites for, people that I work alongside, I always recommend Wix, Wix, Wix. Why? Because I love and I trust in their hosting site. Now, because I do, I will sign up for their affiliate program if they have one, which I'm pretty sure the majority of things now all have affiliate programs. I have a Wix affiliate program, so I always enlist that link on the bottom of my description box for almost every single video that I have. And if I refer it to someone else, I give them my link to refer them to. And with everyone who signs up with Wix or who gets a subscription with Wix, I want to say, I think it's like $100 per every single person, which is a good amount. I think that's one of the higher paying affiliate programs that there is. There are different types of like payouts for every single program, and depending on what the service or the program is that you're signing up for, like for example, clothing wise, I mean, that's gonna be like a certain percentage, and it's gonna be a lot less versus like something in business, because a lot more technologies, like a camera, for example, if I'm referring a camera to one of my followers and they purchase a camera, cameras can range up between like $600 to $1,000. So for something that's much more expensive, you're gonna get a much higher commission from that referral and from that purchase, versus if someone's buying a piece of clothing like a $50 jacket, they're gonna get a couple dollars. So you just want to be mindful of that. So depending on your niche and industry, you need to be aware of that. Every single affiliate program has different types of payouts and will pay differently. But like I said, the hook to affiliate marketing is that you want to make sure that you already have like a really good foundation or in a really strong audience that you've built around a type of industry. Again, like if you, aside from business, if you're a fitness person, you can find different types of protein powder affiliate programs that, and maybe something that you're really, really strong and maybe that you support and you've been using for years, and let's say if they have a program, you're already in the fitness industry, you have people who follow you and trust in whatever you do. They see that you went from being, 200 pounds to now 120 pounds, for say, with muscles, and you're muscular. They want to look like you, so they're gonna do whatever it is that you're gonna tell them to get or work out, whatever it is. They're gonna trust in whatever you have to say or whatever you tell them to do, because they see that you're your own testimonial. You've gone from point A to point B, and they want to be like you. They want to do the same as you. So if you refer them to, or if you tell them that you've been using this protein powder for years and this is really what helps you get your gains and do all this, they're gonna believe in you. I mean, essentially, you've used it, you've tried it. And if you have a referral program, and if you're already telling someone like, hey, this is the protein powder I use, why not make a commission off of it? So like I said, this is something that's super beneficial, and I feel like a lot of people don't know about and they don't really use, because I mean, it's something that we kind of do just automatically. Like, you and your friend might be talking about something, they might be like, hey, where'd you get that outfit? You tell them where you got your outfit, but imagine if you get paid for something like that. So just keep that in mind, and if you have a big following already around a certain niche and industry, use it to your advantage. Get paid for referring all these different products. You're an influencer. Get paid for, you know, referring these makeup brands, these, you know, fitness programs, these protein powders, these different gadgets if you're in the business and marketing world, these different services that you already use. ClickFunnels, for example, for those who are in the business and marketing world who have or need sales funnels and need to build sales funnels for your clients, or just even yourself, they have affiliate programs out there. Sign up for one, you know, get approved and get your link and start putting them in your bio. Not in your bio, but you can even make like a page of all the referral links that you have, so it's easy for these people to find. Put them in your description boxes if you have a YouTube channel. Those links in your description boxes if you have a YouTube channel, or, you know, if you have over 10,000 followers, you can do one of those swipe up things on your story on your Instagram channel. Sorry, my dog is drinking water. But it's just that simple. Make money off of literally everything that you do. So that is why affiliate marketing is the second on the 3 ways to make money online in 2021. So the last and final way to make money online in 2021 is by selling your expertise. Selling your expertise is probably the most important, and like I told you in the beginning of this video, this is what's going to take you a long way and make you probably a lot more money than the other 2 that I've discussed already. So let's say, I always like to use examples because it's easier for you guys to understand. Let's say if you are a fitness guru and you've been working out for years and years, and you used to be a certain weight, you were really, you know, overweight a couple years ago, maybe 2-3 years ago, and you have been working out day in and day out, and you've lost all this weight, you build muscles, you built the body of your dreams, and you've built a following on your social media platforms for your results and your before and afters, for your fitness journey and all that. And now you're like, you have all these people flooding in your DMs like, hey, what workouts do you do? I want to look like you. I want to achieve the same results. What protein powders do you use? Or what's your meal plans? Like, what do you eat to lose the weight that you did? You know, they're asking you all these questions. How did you do this? What do you do? You're basically an expert in this. I mean, you've learned how to lose weight. You've learned how to build muscle. You've learned how to go from 200 pounds to 120 pounds within maybe like a year or so, which is fantastic. You have transformed your body, and you can help others do the same. I mean, you already have people asking you how you achieve those results. So why not make money off a certain expertise or something that you've already mastered? So this is where this comes into play. So if you are in the fitness industry, you've probably seen people come out with their own workout programs, or, you know, they sell like some $30 8-week program. You can do the same. I mean, you can, and it's a digital product. It's literally something that you can create on like canva.com. You can create little videos using your iPhone, and you can put these videos together and these, you know, meal plans. You can create a meal plan, like an 8-week meal plan on, you know, different meals, healthy meals that can help them lose weight. I mean, these are things that you've already done. You know that they work, and you can sell them for a price. I mean, $37. I mean, it's lower, but just think about this. If you have thousands and thousands of followers, and you get like 10% or even less than 10% to buy your program, I mean, you're making a fair amount of money. You're making thousands of dollars right there, you know? So like, keep that in mind. So you can sell these little downloadable products that they can purchase from you. And, you know, once you start getting a really good amount of people who have purchased your products, who have done your programs, who have done all of that, You can then ump it up a bit if you want to make more money. You can then create a coaching program. You can coach people one-on-one, and you can charge even more money. You can coach them one-on-one via Zoom or even in person. Like, you can become a personal trainer even in person and coach them through what their workouts should be, coach them on what they should be eating, follow and guide them and mentor them throughout the entire way. And this goes for everything, business wise. If people want to leave their 9-to-5, they want to start their business, aka what Jonathan and I are doing and are in the works of. I mean, we also offer coaching calls. So if you are interested in that, then there is a link in the bio to get on a one-on-one call with myself or him, or the both of us. But if you are in the marketing and business world, I've been doing this for 4 years. I have a marketing agency that has been very, very successful. And I've had this YouTube channel that I've built a really strong following on. And now it's time for me to sell my expertise, both Jonathan and I's expertise, in helping people where we were once were. We were stuck in 9-to-5s. We didn't enjoy that. We knew we were entrepreneurs at heart. We knew working a 9-to-5 wasn't for us. Working a 9-to-5 is great, but for some people, it's just not for them. But there's people who are stuck and don't know what to do or how even to start. So this is where our expertise comes in, and we guide them. We help them find their expertise. We help them find their passion and turn that expertise and their passion into a business, a business that allows them financial freedom, the freedom to travel, the freedom to do what they want, to be with their families. If these are adults or moms who want to have a business because they want to have the time spent with their children at home. So this can literally go for anything. I mean, even as small as helping dogs, like training dogs. If you are a dog trainer and you are good with dogs, you can come out with a dog training program, or you can come out with a dog training coaching program, or even like sell a little ebook or a guide on steps to little tactics to train your dog to sit, or I don't know, not bark when someone rings the doorbell. It's little things like that people really don't think about, but that can literally transform people's lives. You can sell what you are good at. And what me and Jonathan always say is literally all you have to do to be an expert in something is to be one step ahead, and to know just at least a couple things more than, someone else, the average person. You need to know a little bit more than what the average person knows in order to be a quote unquote expert. If you've been good at something and you've tested it, you have results to show, you're technically, an expert in that. You have the results you did, you were able to achieve something, you can help someone else achieve the same results. So selling your expertise is something that is so important, and something that I think is the top thing in how to make money online and how to make money just in general in this year, in 2021. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. I hope that these 3 ways is something that can help you and guide you in the direction in making money online, whether it's to leave your 9-to-5, make it a full-time job, or even just start a side hustle. These 3 ways are all beneficial, and these are all things that me and Jonathan do, myself and I do, and we can tell you that they work. They are amazing ways. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, found it very helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video.